Well, when we last checked in with Craig, we were talking about lightning. We were talking about the funnel cloud. It's well, it looks like you've got something more to talk about here.
Yeah, some more hail too. Looking for some pictures, send them in to us. Use the hashtag K5Summer. Here's one that came in. It's hail. This one taken in Wenatchee. But yeah, we've got hail just over on this side as well. And look at this. Just before everything fired off, Noel took this near Silverdale. Look how incredible this is. You can see the orca coming out there. Boy, what a great shot. Now, the lightning you were talking about. Here's the center of the storm. Circulation still continues to move around here. Boy, this has not moved. We've been talking about this for weeks. Scattered showers right now. We had the daytime heating. So what do you need for thunderstorms? You need some moist air down at the surface. You need some dry, cold air up above. And then you need some daytime heating, some lift. And that's essentially everything we have. All of the ingredients are in place for everything to just fire off. So right now we're watching for some of these storms to produce a little bit of perhaps some hail, some lightning, of course. Brief heavy downpours, and you know when all that rain comes out of that storm, you've got some gusty winds as well. Look at these scattered showers as well. Discovery Bay, some headed up. This is all going to the north, so Camino Island could see some of that. Look at this one right here, right near Deming. So a lot of this is, could be really heavy. Meantime, you go down south a little bit more. Snoqualmie, this is the one that produced quite a bit of lightning as it moved over Maple Valley and then up to the north. Carnation, you've got some moderate rain coming down at times. Futurecast, this is 6 o'clock. The center of circulation continues to move over us. The showers become a little more scattered. They do move up into the Cascade Range, into the foothills as well. And then as we go through tomorrow morning, we'll wake up to some clouds, maybe some light scattered showers, but by the afternoon, a few more scattered showers left over. So we're not done just yet. This thing is taking its time getting out of here. 6 o'clock tomorrow, you got scattered showers along the Kitsap Peninsula, South Puget Sound, and perhaps close to Port Townsend, Sequim, and then by 9 o'clock, this energy starts to die down. We start to lose the daytime heating. Unlike last night where we had the showers, we start to lose the showers tonight. Saturday, a chance for a few scattered showers, but we will see some peaks of sunshine. Overnight lows will be in the 40s and 50s tonight. Afternoon highs tomorrow, kind of like we're doing again today, 60s and 70s. We do have the chance for a few isolated thunderstorms. I think tomorrow most of it will be in the form of rain. Most of the thunderstorms that do come down will be in the higher elevations, into the Cascade Range and right along the Olympic Range as well. So watch for that if you're going to be hiking. It's backpacking season. A lot of people in the mountains. Just know that for the next several days, you could see some of those thunderstorms. All right, so tomorrow, 69. On Saturday, we get back up into the 70s with a few showers. Looks like things start to dry out, hopefully just in time for 4th of July. We'll be back into the low to mid 70s.